Product type, fishing equipment. Package height, 6.604 centimeters. Package length, 24.892 centimeters. Package width, 9.398 centimeters. Bulldog Winch offers an extensive line of high-quality winches and accessories. Bulldog Winch carries parts for all our winches. Winches are used in tough environments, and we want to keep them working. We stock every part for every winch we make. All of our non-integrated winches, winches with power units/solenoid box not built in, can be set up to remote mount the power unit. This is important when mounting winches into tight spaces like bumpers. Snatch/Pulley Blocks increases your winch pulling power, also changes direction of your pull without damaging the rope. We have the largest selection of quick connects and related accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. I bought a brand new trailer in June of 2020. Everything worked great. Until I noticed my jack handle was missing. So I ordered this replacement. It has the handle set up so it won't fall off, and you are left using a big screwdriver to turn the jack to get it to lower or raise. I would buy this again if needed.